Welcome to the Christian world, baby. Naway pagpalain ka ng Panginoon Diyos. Lumaking mabait at may takot sa Diyos.
Let the stillness begin. Feel the light in your chest.
Lola
That
loves
you're
you.
so
And I will be with
fine.
your side every day I am here. Thank you.
You've been chasing, always trying, running fast, but never finding what was waiting deep inside. A peace that never hides, no more fear, no
Gayong
more
naganap na
fight,
ng Panginoong Jesucristo ang muling pagsilang sa tubig at Espiritu Santo, ang pagpapahid ng manlalangis ay nagpapakilala ng paglukob ng Espiritu Santo sa muling isinilang sa biniyag. Maging matatag nawa ang mga batang ito sa kanilang pagkiisa kay Kristong Hari, Pari at Propeta, ngayon at magpasawalang hanggan.
It's not out there, it's within your chest. When you stop the noise and listen close, you'll find the truth your spirit knows. Spiritual peace and happiness, you were born with all of this. Let the light wash over you and feel your heart renew.
May nagdala ng mga bata kay Jesus upang hiling ipatong niya sa mga ito ang kanyang kamay, ngunit pinagwikaan sila ng mga alagad. Nagalit si Jesus nang makita ito at sinabi sa kanila, pabayaan ninyo lumapit sa akin ang mga bata at huwag ninyo silang sawayin sapagkat sa mga katulad nila naghahari ang Diyos. Ito ang tandaan ninyo. Ang sino mang hindi tumatanggap sa paghahari ng Diyos tulad na isang maliit na bata ay hindi mapabaylang sa mga pinaghaharian niya. Kinalong niya sa mga bata, ipinatong ang kanilang mga kamay sa kanila at pinagpala siya.
You'll find the truth your spirit knows. Spiritual peace and happiness, you were born with all of this. Let the light wash over you and feel your heart renew. And feel your heart renew. Let go, be free, let your soul align. You're divine by design. Every step, every smile, every day. Peace and happiness will stay.
Welcome to Maki's first birthday!
Diving in while the current's fast. Gotta leave the past, it's in the past. Yeah, I won't look back. Strike a match, watch the flames go higher. We can burn much brighter if we don't look back. What does it take to leave it all behind? We'll see it happen one step at a time.
Ladies and gentlemen, live on stage, please welcome, boys and girls, our birthday celebrant, ang pogi-pogi cute, Baby Maki!
Get lost until we're found, darling, here we go. Feel the blood rushing through my veins. Got some brand new wings. No, we won't go back. What does it take to make our dreams collide? The smallest change can make you feel alive. Here we go. Never slowing down, darling. Here we go. Get lost until we're found, darling. Here we go.
Happy birthday, Maki. Ate loves you.
Feel this alive.
Kagaya ka ni Daddy, love na love ng parents and family. And sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. And sa love ka namin.
Wish ko lang kay Maki good health tsaka lumaking masunurin. Yun. Love na love ka namin ni Mami.